Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing quality Inn Suites Kenedy, Karnes City. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located less than 1.9 miles from the Karnes County Airport, quality Inn Suites Kenedy, Karnes offers daily cleaning services. A flat-screen satellite TV is featured in each room. Ironing facilities and a desk are also provided in all rooms. Free toiletries and a hairdryer are available in the private bathrooms. A 24-hour front desk is available to all guests. A mini market is also offered on site. Kenedy City Center is 3 minutes drive away from the property. Walmart Supercenter is 7 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.